We're a company that if your bike is more accessible, you're going to ride it more.
Road cycling, mountain, tri, kids' bikes. When we first started, we didn't even have an office space. We didn't even have a website. It was pretty manual, a lot of data entry. I didn't have the ability to do tax collection and emitting.
Avalara made it really simple to have tax compliance, and that work is really done for us. Avalara integrated right into Fishbowl.
Now we can do things a lot more streamlined in Fishbowl. We can pick a lot quicker. We can allocate how the reporting that comes through is a lot easier to sort. It's definitely scaled up a lot.
I can't even tell you how many hours that saved us in manual calculations.
So from a product management standpoint, seeing how products are performing year over year, quarter to quarter, it's just that kind of immediate availability of that data that we can take back and make some decisions on.
Before, it was a lot of Excel spreadsheets. It was a lot of very manual data entry. It really gives us a nice overview of the business and the products, and really give our customers a good idea of when their order is going to arrive. It doesn't matter if you've got a $20 bike or a $20,000 bike. We want everyone to have the exact same experience.
I grew up biking. I grew up working in a bike shop and understanding the passion that most people bring to that conversation.
I like that part that cycling gives. Gets you a little bit further out in nature.
The people that are the best in the sport, they started in the same place. We want to introduce folks like, hey, you can do this stuff.
We've built our business on who we are as a team and that brand reputation, not just our product line, but we couldn't do that without our team here and without our partners.
Avalara has integrated into the other systems, and the data that we get out of Fishbowl, I think, is fantastic.
Integration of Shopify into Fishbowl has been arguably seamless because it's kind of a one-stop shop.
The suite of products that we've built together, I think, works very well for us. It helps us make more informed decisions and really help us focus on what we do best, developing great products.